In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change task color in ClickUp. If you've ever wanted your tasks to stand out, or to visually organize your workflow by category or priority, adjusting the colors tied to your task statuses is the way to go. Let's walk through it together from start to finish so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, open ClickUp in your browser or launch the desktop app and sign in. Give it a second to load your workspace. From there, head into the space where you want the color change to apply. Colors for statuses are set at the space level, so make sure you're in the right space before you make changes. Next, open any task within that space. We're using a task as our entry point to reach the settings we need. Inside the task view, look for the three-dot More Options icon. Click that to reveal additional controls. In the menu that appears, choose Edit Statuses. This opens the status editor for your current space. Quick note, you'll need the proper permissions to edit statuses. If you don't see this option, check with your space admin. With the status editor open, make sure you're focused on the same task group or list you're working in so your change affects the right place. Now, find the status whose color you want to adjust, things like To Do, In Progress, or Complete, and click the three-dot icon next to that status name. From that mini menu, select Change Color. You'll see a color picker or a set of swatches. Choose the color that best communicates meaning to your team. For example, you might use warm colors like red or orange for urgency, calm colors like blue or green for in-progress work, or align with your brand palette so boards look consistent. Aim for strong contrast so text remains readable, and consider accessibility for teammates with color vision differences. Distinct hues with clear contrast help a lot. Once you've picked your new shade, click Apply Changes to save. The update takes effect immediately and will apply to every task using that status in this space, so your lists, boards, and timelines will reflect the new color right away. If you don't see it update, give the page a quick refresh. And remember, changing a status color won't move or rename your statuses. It only updates the visual cue. That's it. You went to ClickUp, opened the correct space, used a task to access the status editor, changed the status color, and applied the update. With just a few clicks, your tasks will be easier to scan, prioritize, and manage at a glance.